Uh, Now I'm going to explain about the overview of networking and architecture. So network architecture differentiates how the device and system internet and includes the networking edges where users cannot connect and where users connect and the network core where the data is routed. For example, we have the internet. I'm explaining from the figure here. So this is the internet, and they are connected to the 4 5 devices to the internet. So how it will be going to be work? Like it's connected to the switch, and then it is going to the router, and then it's going to the LAN. Then in the LAN will be going to be connected to the different types of network protocols. So it is entire flow chart of like how the internet is connected to the different type of devices. So networking edge. So these slides I'm going to clearly explain about the how the networking edge will be work. The networking edge includes the user devices such as the computers, smartphones, and IoT systems. IoT means Internet Object of Things, and connected to the home Wi-Fi, enterprise networks, or mobile networks connections. So how it will be work with the everything, like that we can see outside we have the telephone communication satellite signals, and we have the antenna towers, and that will be going to be send the transmission wavelength signals to the home. So in the home we have the Wi-Fi router, and the Wi-Fi router having the transmission protocol, it is having some transmitter. It will receive and transmit the signals from one place to the other place, and each device having the small transmitter inside of that equipment. So it is capable to receive the signals and read it, and it will respond to this proper signals. So the entire world is running through this type of network only, without these transmitters and network and transmitting the wavelengths from one place to the other place, we cannot transmit the data from one place to another place. So this is completely networking edge. Here I have given this entire picture of that, and this is the networking core. So what is the network core? The core includes the routers and switches that moves data efficiently between the networks. It ensures the data travels along the best available paths. Here I have given the three types of features. You can see that the switch block and the access tracks and the layer 3 and layer 2. Data is transmitting from the data 01 to the data 03. There is a IP address, and there is a public and private IP address are there, and it will read the data and it will send the data to the layer of protocols. And once the layer of protocols are receiving the data, it will be converted into the bytes and the zeros and ones. Then the zeros and ones is transmitting to the Wi-Fi, and then Wi-Fi it will send to the antenna have the outside of the signals, and then it will be received from the satellite, and the satellite will read the data, and it will be transmit the bytes to different locations. It is in India, China, or else Russia, like any country. It will be going to be just send the data in the packets. There is a bytes and packets. Like the data will be transferred to the small packets and the cloud components, and it will be easily transmitted from one place to the another place. And coming to the packet switching and circuit switching. So what is that packet switching and circuit switching? So here everyone gets a doubt. That's the reason I gave the two pictures. So the left side will be going to the circuit switching, and right side will be going to the packet switching. So here we go that the circuit switching, the packet switching splits data into small packets that travels independently. Got it? It's independently. But circuit switching establishing a dedicated path useful for contact and data transmitting like the phone cells. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. This is small packets that travels independently, and coming to the circuit switching, it is a dedicated path. It's direct path to them. For example, the prime minister, who is in the great positions, they will directly use a single networking. So the line will directly connect to them only. So if for example the A country want to talk to the C country, there is no the interactions. The only single line A country, the line will directly go to the C country, because there is a high sensitive data. There is a company that leaders will going to talk some sensitive information related to the countries. So this time there is a more probability to the hackers can get inside, and they will hack the systems, and they will hack the network, and they will get the sensitive information and do any type of harm to the countries. So this is a very advantage of using this type of packet switching or circuit switching. So this is a differentiation. I just give an explanation of the thing, and I give the pictures of that. So the summary is the network edge connects users while the core transports and data reliable across its vast distances. It's like it will travel to the millions of kilometers and miles, and there is not the simple way to stop it, and it will be for the surrounding area like that. If you have the capable of the radio antenna signals and the transmitters, we can transmit the data to one place to the another place. That's pretty simple and easy, straightforward. Thank you so much. I will be going to the next slide, then we'll be going to cover the next topic. Thank you.